Today we are discussing a crucial topic: understanding skincare ingredients. Knowing what is in your product can make a huge difference. So let's break down some common ingredients and what they do to your skin. If you are new here, my name is Choma. In this channel, I talk about everything self-care, be it skincare products, reviewing what I use, or natural hair care. So are you ready? Let's begin. First, why do ingredients matter? Understanding what is in your skincare product can help you make better choices tailored to your skincare needs. It can also help you avoid the potential irritant and maximize the benefit of your routine. So if you want to start skincare, you don't need to be jumping from three to three, from one product to another. Understanding the product, what it does, can help you make better choices. You don't need to buy all the ingredients in the market. What you need after understanding your skincare product is to know what you will buy in a particular issue you are trying to treat. Let's talk about some key skincare ingredients you should know about. The first is hyaluronic acid. Yes, I know you have heard about it. Hyaluronic acid. But what does it do? Hyaluronic acid is a powerful humectant that draws in moisture to your skin, making it perfect for hydration. It's great for all skin types and make it perfect for hydration. So if you're 30 and above, even if you're below 30 and you want to go big on hydration, whenever you're buying skincare product, read the ingredients. If you see hyaluronic acid at the top, knows that the product contains more of hydration product, and it will help you to, it will help you to hydrate your skin and plump you up. And the benefit of hydration is simple. It will help you to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Your skin will not be shrinked. It will just be plumped, hydrated, and moisturized. This is what hyaluronic acid does for you. Second on our list is vitamin C. This is another one. You have been hearing about vitamin C cream, vitamin C soap, vitamin C serum. But what does it do? Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that brightens the skin and even out your skin tone. It can also help to protect your skin from environmental damage. So if you're looking at to brighten out your skin, protect your skin from environmental damage, get yourself a vitamin C either in body lotion, or if you want it for your face, you get yourself a vitamin C serum. Kindly look for vitamin C serum that contains ascorbic acid, sodium ascorbyl phosphate. So the third on our list is niacinamide. Niacinamide is also known as vitamin B3. It helps to reduce your inflammation, minimize your pore, and improve your skin texture. So if you have acne pores or some white pores on your face and you're looking for a serum to help minimize it, reduce it, or possibly close it up, niacinamide is the serum you should be working with. And the good thing about niacinamide is that it's suitable for all skin types, especially those with acne prone skin or sensitive skin. So niacinamide serum or any skincare product that contains niacinamide is good for you if you have sensitive skin. It will not react. So the fourth on our list is salicylic acid. I've also heard about that. Salicylic acid is a beta hydroxy acid, BHA. So the job of these ingredients is to exfoliate your skin and open up your clogged pores. So if you're looking for a serum to exfoliate your skin, remove dead skin cells, unclog your pores, get a salicylic acid serum. It will help to remove all the dead skin either on your face or on your skin, unclog your pores, and make your other skincare ingredient work faster and efficient for you. Another product on our list is retinol. This one is rampant. It's everywhere you go. You see retinol. It can come in form of a soap, it can come in form of a tube, cream, or even serums. Retinol is another form of vitamin A. You ever heard that? It's known for its anti-aging benefit. It promotes cell turnover, reduces wrinkles, and improve your skin texture. So if you're 30 and above and you're looking for something, an anti-aging skincare ingredient, go for retinol. The side effect is that it can be irritating. So start with a lower concentration. Produce it gradually. You can start with twice a week. Just a pear size of it. If you are using the cream, the serum, you also drop a little on your face. Use it twice a week as a beginner, and also go with moisturizer and your sunscreen is a must, because with retinol you're going to turn over your new cells and bring out a more healthy and younger skin. So don't allow sun to damage it for you. So go heavily with your skin, with your sunscreen. Another skincare ingredient is peptide. I know you must have seen it. Some comes in form of vitamins. People has been advertising it, and you are seeing peptides all around, and you don't know the work of peptide. So peptide is a chain of amino acids that helps to boost your collagen production to help you look more younger. So when you start taking peptide vitamins, it helps to boost your collagen production, improve your skin elasticity, and reduce the appearance of fine lines. Next skincare ingredients we are looking into is ceramides. Face Fat has their ceramide face wash, ceramide face moisturizer. What does ceramide do for you? Ceramides are lipids. They help to restore the skin barrier and retain moisture. So they are particularly beneficial to dry and sensitive skin. If you have a very dry and sensitive skin, and whenever you use a product, you feel all dried out, like all the sebum on your face has been sucked away. So ceramide face wash is what you need if you are somebody with a very dry skin. You go for ceramide face wash. I would advise you go for Face Fat. They have a good one. It will help you to restore your skin barrier and retain moisture. Next thing we're going to talk about is how to read your skincare ingredients label. I know so many of us go to buy skincare, we don't read our label. We are always in a hurry. We want to buy and go, because you hear it's trending, or you have seen somebody, skincare content creator or a reviewer just reviewed it, or you see somebody with a beautiful body and face like mine using a particular product. You say, I feel like getting this product, but you don't know what it is. Sometimes you go and buy it, you don't read the ingredients. For all I have told you so far, you have understood some of the work of these skincare ingredients. So let me tell you how to read and understand your skincare product contents. Ingredients are listed in descending order of concentration. So the ingredients written at the top, the first lines, are the ones with the highest amount inside that bottle or tube. Tips whenever you want to buy your next skincare ingredients. The top 5 ingredients that usually make up the bulk of the skincare product is usually listed above. So whenever you want to buy, the first 5 ingredients that you see listed is the ones with the more, that has more of it inside that container. Sometimes some companies used to list their active ingredients separately. So whenever you want to buy a product, check if they listed the active ingredients separately or they listed it together. So the active ingredients are the ones that usually provide the primary benefits of that skincare product. Reading your skincare label also, it will help you to avoid irritants and make you cautious of some potential irritants like alcohol, nuts, fragrance, and preservatives that might be so harsh for your skin, especially people with sensitive skin. So after you must have known this, there are some common misconceptions that also follow skincare. Hope you're getting what I'm saying now. You're getting me, right? So the next is misconceptions around skincare ingredients. Natural versus synthetic. Some people argue, do I go natural? Do I go synthetic? Natural doesn't always mean better, while synthetic doesn't always mean harmful. So whenever you want to purchase a product, just focus on how the ingredients performed and its concentration on that product. Like I've taught you earlier, how to know if an ingredient is highly concentrated in a product. So if you are looking for some particular ingredient in a product and you want it in a higher concentration, so this is what you have to focus on. depending on what you're treating and what you're looking for. Another misconception is more is better. You see some people with loads of skincare products. The shelf, the drawer, everywhere is skincare product. You want to start your skincare, you're asking yourself, am I going to buy all of these? No, you don't need to buy all of that. More is not better. For example, using so many active ingredients can lead to irritation. So it's better to stick with just a few that target your skincare concern. For example, if you're looking to hydrate your skin, why are you buying salicylic? You just need a hydrating serum, cream, or things that will keep you hydrated. You see? Now you have known some key ingredients. It's time to build yourself a routine. And here is how you are going to incorporate them into your skincare routine. The first thing is to start slowly. Don't rush skincare. Introduce one product at a time and watch how it reacts to your skin or how your skin reacts to it. The second thing you should work on is layering. So many people don't know how to layer their skincare routine. The last video I posted, I talk about how you layer your skincare routine for effective results. You can check the video here. So some skincare ingredients clash with each other. Some can cancel the other. I will link a video to that, or you check the playlist of this video. You will see a video how to layer your skincare routine, your skincare product. So the next thing you work on is layering. So apply your skincare products, order of their consistency from the tiniest to the thickest. The general rules to skincare is you cleanse first, you go with toner, then you apply your serum, your moisturizer, and your sunscreen. Some serums will ask you to apply it, allow it to stay for a few minutes so that it will absorb into your skin before you top it with the other serum, in case you are using two serums at a time. So while you buy this product, before you start using it, before you start using them, you can also do a patch test. I know you watching know what patch test means. Patch test is taking a little bit of that product, apply it on your hands and leave it there for like 24 hours and see if there's a reaction, because I've seen some people apply something, it reacts adversely on their face. They were like, oh, this thing gave me a breakout, but if you do a patch test, you will avoid that. Here are a few additional tips to help you understand your skincare ingredients better. One is do your research. Learn to use Google and also YouTube like you're watching me before you start using any skincare product. There are great resources online like INCI Decoder or the Environmental Working Group Skin Deep database, where you can look up skincare ingredients and see their functions and ratings. Then is consult a professional. So if you have money, why not spend your money on yourself? Use your money, consult a skincare professional like dermatologists. They can help guide you and give you a more personalized advice based on your skin types and concern. Another thing you can do is to join communities online that talk about skincare. It's an island where you join communities like Reddit, skincare addiction, beauty forums. You get knowledge, you get experience and reviews from people that have used those products before you. Share their knowledge for free. So join there and learn more. You can keep a skincare journal. Write down how a product or ingredients reacts to your skin. Just note down the changes, improvement or reaction. This can help to guide you when purchasing a product with similar ingredients. As for today's videos, understanding skincare ingredients can be a game changer for your skincare routine. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up so that YouTube will push out my videos to other people that want to start skincare journey. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.